Hi guys. Today we're going to be talking about like terms. Okay. Like terms have the same variables and the same exponents on the same variables. Okay. For instance, 2m and 4m are like terms because they have the same variables and they have the same exponents on the same variables. Because remember that m is m to the first power, right? So they have the same variables on the same exponents, or same exponents on the same variables. Okay. Now, let's change it up a little bit here. If I have 5m and 5n, well, do they have the same variables? M and n are not the same variables, so these would be called not like terms. Okay. All right. What about 8x squared and 5x squared? All right. Well, first check, do they have the same variables? Well, they both have an x. And do they have the same exponents on the same variables? Well, this one has a 2 and this one has a 2. So they are like terms. Okay. Now, about this. 3a squared and 4a to the third. So, do we have the same variables? Yes, we have the same variables. Do we have the same exponents on those variables? This has a 2 and this has a 3. So, since they are different exponents, these are not like terms. All right. So let's try another one here. Let's do 5x squared y and 2xy squared. Okay. Let's check. Do we have the same variables? Well, the same letters. That's what we're looking for, right? So this has an x and a y. This one has an x and a y. Okay, good. So they have the same variables. Now, do they have the same exponents on the same variables? This one has a second power on the x, but this one has a second power on the y. So these ones are not like terms. All right. What if I have 7ab squared and ab squared? Let's check these, okay? Same variables. This has an a, this has a b. This one has an a, this one has a b. So they have the same variables. Now, do they have the same exponents on the same variables? The b is raised to the second power. And the b over here is raised to the second power. So these are like terms.